Make dish soap, liquid castile, soap flakes, shavings. Do you already know how to make soap? If so, and even if not, making homemade dish soap is simple. It's especially a good idea if you have allergies or your skin gets dried out from using purchased dish soap. In fact, if you don't already have the soap making bug, you'll find it very easy to catch. Making your own dish soap is simple and effective. There are a few different ways make dish soap, but all of them are quick and easy. To store your homemade dish soap, recycle dish soap squeeze bottles or purchase empty plastic bottle with a squeezed top for ease of use. Dish soap can be made using liquid castile soap, soap flakes or soap scraps. Soap making is a simple art. Liquid castile soap. Using liquid castile soap is the easiest way to make your own dish soap, as the base is already made for you. All you have to do is add a few ingredients, mix it up, and voila! You can purchase liquid castile soap at most health food stores. Here's what you need: 2 cups of castile soap, a few drops of essential oil, 1/2 cup of water to make the soap. Follow these instructions. Combine 2 cups of liquid castile soap with 1/2 cup of warm water. Add a few drops of essential oils for a pleasant scent. Shake or mix well and place in a squeeze bottle. Shake the soap well before using. Soap flakes. Soap flakes make a great base for your homemade dish soap. They are gentle and can be used for lots of cleaning purposes, and mix very well to form a liquid cleaner. You can purchase soap flakes wherever you buy laundry detergent. Lemon juice or vinegar will add a grease-cutting element to the soap. Here's what you need to make dish soap using soap flakes: 2 cups of soap flakes, 1 gallon of warm water, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, optional, 1/2 cup of lemon juice or white vinegar, a few drops of essential oils for scent, if desired. Here are the steps for making this dish soap. Combine your soap flakes and water in a large non-reactive pan. Over low heat, warm the mixture, stirring frequently, until the soap is completely dissolved. Add the glycerin and stir. Remove from heat. Allow the soap to cool slightly and add the lemon juice and essential oils, optional. Mix thoroughly to combine. Pour your liquid dish soap into squeeze bottles or other containers. Solid soap shavings. You can also use your leftover bits of bar soap to make a liquid soap that's suitable for dishwashing. This is a great way to stretch your budget and save a bit of money. Chop the soap bits up into very small pieces, or grate it into thin strips first. What you need is very simple: 2 cups of soap shavings, 2 to 3 cups of hot water, plus more to dilute. Follow these steps when making the dish soap. In a small bucket, place your soap shavings. Cover with hot water and let it sit for several hours or overnight to soften. In the morning, stir and mash the soap shavings until smooth. Add more hot water to dilute to preferred consistency. You can add lemon juice or vinegar if you'd like, to help with cutting grease on dishes. Pour into squeeze bottles or other containers. Shake well before use. Finally, if none of these soap making methods appeal to you, try buying a soap making kit. No matter which method you choose, you'll find that homemade dish soap is gentler on your skin and fingernails, and doesn't contain as many harsh additives or chemicals as the store-bought variety. Quick tips: if your liquid soap is too thick, add hot water and shake well. If your soap doesn't mix together completely, try adding a couple tablespoons of liquid glycerin.